Let's replace the lower control arm on this 2020 Chevy Traverse. It is the same procedure on the Buick Enclave from 2018 to 2023. As you guys see here, both lower control arm bushing are completely ripped. I test drove that vehicle on the highway and I felt like it was going side to side with me. So I also the job the customer decided to replace them. So let's start by breaking the lower ball joint bolt free. It is 18 millimeter. You can't use the ratcheting wrench, so you're gonna have to use the open-ended wrench to take it off. Let's remove the control arm bushing bolt. They are 18 millimeter. Use the 18 millimeter wrench to hold the nut on top and remove the bolt at the bottom. Then remove the two 18 millimeter bolt. Those are on the front side of the control arm. I'm using an air gun and a swivel 18 to remove the bolt. I'll suggest you remove both of them. Although it's there is a empty space at the front of the control arm, you might as well remove it all the way because it will fight you. You know, the bolt is a very long bolt. We're gonna use the pry bar to pry the control arm bushing off the subframe. There you go. As you guys see, I have to take the bolt out all the way. Please, guys, like, comment, subscribe to the channel if you like what you're seeing. Now we're gonna remove the lower control arm ball joint from the knuckle. You're gonna use a hammer to take it off. Don't hit the knuckle, only hit the control arm. You're gonna hit a couple times, if maybe more than that, depending on your location, and it will come out. It was the old one. You see, it's completely ripped. Remember to save your old bolt because the new controller doesn't come with it. Let's start by inserting when you put in the back, remember to insert the ball joint in the knuckle first, and you're going to put the bushing in place to the subframe and the other side of the control arm. Attach them and you'll be run the bolt through and you'll be good to go, guys. It's a very straightforward replacement. It's one of the very few vehicles I've done easy control arm on. Usually they're a pain. So one tip I'll give you, when you're tying the bolt for the lower ball joint, if you're having a hard time putting the bolt through, like tying it down, I would suggest you put either a jack stand underneath the control arm to put pressure on it, or use a regular jack so you can jack up the control arm up and put pressure on it so you can tie the bolt. Because they have a tendency to the ball, the socket have the tendency to spin into the knuckle, so you make it very hard for you to tie it. Here is the jack what I'm talking about. If you jack like this, it will work perfectly fine. You jack up under it and you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one, guys.